American 430, taxi via Juliet, Sierra Juliet off into the Bravo Bridge, contact ground point 85 on top.
Okay, Juliet, Sierra, Alpha Bridge, American 430.
Big 2612, someone's coming over opposite direction, the wrong way on accident, so just hold position. Okay, we'll stop right here. American 430.
American 2677. American 2612.
Ground American 430 is top of the Alpha Bridge.
Yep, American 430, looks like you turned over the wrong bridge. So, we'll have to wait for a tow, it looks like.
Hold on, you told us the Alpha Bridge. I mean, this is the Alpha Bridge, right?
Well, if they told you the Alpha Bridge, then that's the wrong one. We got, aircraft knows we'll have to get you a tow.
What I'm asking you, though, is if we were told the Alpha Bridge, we didn't take the wrong bridge, correct?
We'd have to check the tapes. I don't have time for that, so we'll just have to call for a tow.
Ground American 2677, we're number 2 on the Alpha Bridge, we're at a stop.
Break 2677, someone went the wrong way over from this side, that's why you stopped there. Any chance you can make a 180?
Negative.
Okay, we're working with air company, getting somebody out there.
Okay, sounds good, American 2677.
American 430.
Yeah, we're waiting to hear from something here. Yes, go ahead, 430.
Yeah, American 430, possible pilot deviation. Advise you contact the East Tower on that phone number.
Did you guys listen to the tape?
They're working on it right now.
I mean, 2 of us read back Alpha.
Okay, that's why we want you to call on the phone.
All right.